The Red Fox Chronicles, Tales of Wisdom and Wilderness. Exploring the enigmatic life and lores of a fox in the wild.
By AI for Kids. This book invites you to delve into the enchanting world of the red fox, a creature of diverse habitats, a master of adaptation, and a symbol of cunning. Through 8 captivating storyboards, discover its fascinating life stories, ecological roles, and cultural significance. Each narrative reflects on deeper truths about survival, intelligence, and nature's interconnectedness, offering wisdom that transcends the boundaries between humans and the wild. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Red Fox's enchanting voice.
In the quiet cloak of night, the red fox becomes an audible enigma. With over 40 distinct vocalizations, its voice is legendary for the haunting, human-like screams that echo through the woods. These calls are a fascinating ritual, forming part of the fox's communication arsenal, serving to warn rivals, entice mates, and guide cubs. This vocal range is not merely noise but a complex language that speaks of survival, territory, and intimacy amidst the shadows of their nocturnal world.
Immerse in the serene night where the red fox's voice pierces the silence, its songs weaving tales of the forest. What messages do these sounds carry across the moonlit fields? Could they be whispers of ancient wisdom?
Adaptability of the red fox.
From the frosty reaches of the Arctic to the scorching deserts of Australia, the red fox thrives with unmatched adaptability. Mastering diverse habitats, it embraces forests, grasslands, and urban landscapes alike. Its adaptability is a testament to its resourcefulness, surviving by crafting its role within each new environment. These clever creatures are the embodiment of nature's resilience, perfectly balancing the interplay between urban expansion and wilderness.
Travel through the world's varied realms where the red fox calls each land its own, weaving invisible bonds with its surroundings. How does the essence of survival inspire such profound flexibility?
A feast for all seasons.
The red fox, with its omnivorous diet, embodies the phrase "jack of all trades." It hunts with precision, preying on small mammals and birds, yet also enjoys the bounty of fruits, vegetables, and insects. Opportunistic yet wise, the red fox exemplifies nature's versatile nourisher, playing a crucial role in controlling prey populations and promoting biodiversity through seed dispersal. Its dietary habits reflect a strategic dance of survival and ecological balance.
Venture into the culinary tour of the red fox, master of adaptation and guardian of balance, feasting through the seasons. What stories do the earth's flavors whisper to this cunning epicure?
The solitary wanderer.
Solitude is the chosen path of the red fox. Primarily nocturnal or crepuscular, it roams under twilight skies in search of sustenance, as a lone soul marking its territory and hunting with precision. Its solitary nature speaks of ancient instincts, a silent dance dictated by the waxing and waning of day and night. This behavior ensures its quiet endurance amidst ever-changing landscapes, living harmoniously alone, yet ever vigilant.
Walk the moonlit trails with the red fox, solitary hunter of the night, mastering independence with each graceful step. Does solitude whisper secrets only those who wander alone can hear?
Family ties in the wild.
In the embrace of winter's end, the red fox begins a journey of life and renewal. Mating from December to February, it celebrates the continuum of existence. Hidden away, vixens nurture the future, birthing and caring for their young. Small and vulnerable, these kits grow into cunning adventurers beneath their mother's watchful eye. This cycle of birth and nurturing weaves a tapestry of family bonds and survival in nature's untamed chronicle.
Explore the whispered symphony of continuity as winter wraps the land, and the red fox cares for life anew. How does the call of kin echo through the ancestral wilds, charting unknown paths?
The fox's role in nature.
The red fox, a sophisticated architect of the food chain, controls the rhythm of its ecosystem. A predator to small mammals, it keeps their populations in balance, while as a scavenger it minimizes waste. Its dietary choices also facilitate seed dispersal, fostering new growth. Through these ecological duties, the red fox is a cornerstone of environmental harmony, bridging the animate and inanimate, the seen and unseen.
Listen to nature's orchestration, where the red fox steps forth as a conductor, crafting the symphony of life. What unseen threads does the fox weave into the fabric of the earth it treads?
Guardians on unknown paths.
Though deemed as least concern by conservationists, the red fox faces silent threats, a reflection of nature's fragility under human impact. Habitat destruction, vehicular hazards, and hunting chip away at its resilience. Yet, their adaptable spirit ignites hope in the persistent dance between survival and extinction. The red fox inspires us to question, what lessons can we learn from this guardian of the untamed?
Stand with the red fox at the brink of choice, each step a testament to its instinctual grace amidst looming challenges. What echoes of our own perseverance mirror in the fox's journey through a changing world?
Cultural icon of the wild.
Emblazoned in the annals of folklore and mythology, the red fox fascinates cultures worldwide. An emblem of sly wisdom, it dances through tales of cunning and adventure, inviting us to explore deeper truths. Storytellers have long marveled at its intelligence, using it as a metaphor for survival and adaptability. The red fox stands as a testament to the eternal dance between human thought and animal spirit, each story echoing another layer of the human experience.
Immerse in timeless tales, where the fox leaps from the pages of myth, threading culture with mystery and allure. How do these stories shape our understanding of the fox, teaching human patience, strategy, and humility?